Monday marks 1 year since the deadly Hamas attack on Israel that launched a war. And here at home, the University of Maryland is preparing for two vigils that day. One will be hosted by UMD Students for Justice in Palestine.
Yeah, so you might remember that event was initially canceled by the university, but the issue was taken to court. And yesterday, we told you, a judge ruled administrators violated that group's First Amendment rights. Our Leslie Moreno joins us live tonight from UMD's campus with new reaction from the student group and the Jewish community as well. Leslie, what are they saying?
Hey guys, good evening. Yeah, the university's Jewish Student Union has their own vigil scheduled for this upcoming Monday as well. Tonight, both sides telling me they're hoping the university can make sure all students are safe and things don't escalate, as emotions will be high. UMD Students for Justice in Palestine will hold a vigil Monday, exactly 1 year since the deadly Hamas attack on Israel. Tonight, planning is underway just a day after a judge ruled a cancellation would be a violation of the group's First Amendment rights. Tonight, members of the group say the vigil is organized by both Palestinian and Jewish students who simply want to remember all the civilians killed in the October 7th attack.
We picked a date because we knew it would have an emotional aspect to it. I acknowledge that that date has a significance for Jewish people and for Israelis that were killed on that day. I acknowledge that that is also true. But it's also true that Palestinians were killed on that day.
On Tuesday, UMD officials said they would honor the court's ruling. Tonight, Ron Halbert with the Jewish Community Relations Council of Greater Washington says SJP should be condemned for their choice of date.
How would Americans feel if somebody held a birthday party for Osama bin Laden on September 9th, on September 11th? You know, it's like disgraceful. It's like rubbing salt in a wound, except this is like rubbing salt in 1,200 wounds.
Maryland Governor Wes Moore weighed in on the ruling late Tuesday night. He said the date of the protest was inappropriate. And tonight, former Governor Larry Hogan says he is very disappointed.
I just thought that this was a terrible idea to allow the celebration of the Hamas terrorism on October 7th on the memorial of the 1-year anniversary of October 7th. I'm just hoping that I'm going to continue to speak out. I'm hoping that the University of Maryland will find a way to make sure that we keep this as peaceful and civil as possible. But it's, I think it's outrageous and unfortunate.
And again, both vigils are scheduled for this upcoming Monday here on campus. We're told both events are set to be a day-long event. Lorenzo?
Yeah, we can only hope that these day-long events will remain peaceful.
Absolutely.
Leslie, thank you.